Welcome to our channel. Do you know about Midjourney RE tool and how Midjourney works? If you don't know about it, then this video is for you. Because, today, we are about to take you on an incredible journey, unlocking the secrets of Midjourney. So, what exactly is Midjourney and how does it work? Midjourney is a revolutionary platform that combines the power of technology and the wisdom of the crowd to create amazing travel experiences. It connects travelers with locals and experts to explore destinations like never before. Imagine this: you're planning a trip to a new city. You want to explore the hidden gems, the local culture, and the authentic experiences. Midjourney has got you covered. With a few simple clicks, you can find expert guides who will show you the city from their eyes. But how does Midjourney ensure the best experiences? It's all about the reviews and ratings. Users provide feedback after each journey, helping other travelers to make informed decisions. The platform thrives on genuine recommendations from people who have already been there. Not only does Midjourney empower travelers, but it also supports the local communities. By connecting with locals, travelers get an authentic experience while providing a sustainable source of income to these individuals. Now, you might be thinking, how do I find the perfect guide? That's where Midjourney's advanced search filters come in. You can search based on your interests, language preferences, and even specific experiences you're looking for. It's all about tailoring your journey to match your desires. So, whether you're a solo traveler, a family, or a group of friends, Midjourney is here to enhance your travel experience. Unlock the secrets of a city, immerse yourself in local culture, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Midjourney pricing is a new approach that allows sellers to dynamically adjust prices during a customer's journey. It takes into account factors like demand, competition, and customer behavior to offer the most optimized price at any given moment. Imagine you're shopping online and adding items to your cart. With Midjourney pricing, the prices of these items can change in real time based on various factors. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed exploring the inner workings of Midjourney. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. Until then, happy traveling!